And in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and doing a first impression of a product I received a couple of weeks ago. First and foremost, I love how portable this is. This is very lightweight. I think it's something, if you're a lover of big bags. I don't really like to carry big bags, but if you're a lover of big bags, this can actually fit into your bag. It's it's lightweight. Hi beautiful people, this is Niella, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and doing a first impression of a product I received a couple of weeks ago. If you want to see me unbox this product and if you want to know my first impression about this product, keep watching. And if you're yet to subscribe, I would love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe to my channel. While you're at it, turn on the bell so you don't miss a post whenever I put up new videos on my channel. So guys, let's unbox this product. And don't forget to watch till the end of the video. I have a very huge surprise for you. So the product I'm going to be unboxing today is from the Royale makeup brand. If you're familiar with my channel, you already know that I have reviewed some products of the Royale from the Royale makeup brand, and I've reviewed their eyeshadow palette. I'm going to link it somewhere here. I have reviewed their eyelashes matte liner. I have also reviewed their Brow Sensation brow pencils. So one of their latest addition to the brand is their powder palette, and it launched sometime before the Easter break, or just around the Easter break. But I wasn't around due to my traditional wedding, so I couldn't get my hands on it. But as soon as I was back, I had to get my hands on it. And it's the Royale makeup. It's the Royale makeup Famed Face collection powder palette. So this is the Queen series. This is the Queen series, and it's a collection of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 different shades of powder. This is what the back packaging looks like. Okay, I love the fact that they went away from their regular packaging, which is black, to this color. This is really unique. I like the whole wooden kind of feel this package went in, as much as it's like it's a basic package for a powder palette. This is the Famed Face collection, and it's a 14 powder palettes in one. So I'm going to be unboxing this and let's see what is inside of it. It is properly sealed. Opening this. Guys, can you see it? Okay, so it has 14 different colors, and I love the way they arranged the powder palette. Can you see? It's not like arranged in a single line or in a single file. So if you look at it closely, you will notice that it's arranged like 1 2 3, like one, then they arrange the center. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 on both sides, like 5 different shades of powders on the right hand and on the left hand. Then in the center is just 4. So it's not arranged like the same way or the same line. And it has its names. The names of the palettes are at the back. The names of the palettes the names of the individual powder shades are on the back of the palette. Yes, and we also have the individual names too in front of the palette. So in case you lose the foil covering at the back, you can also use the names. So let's open this for. Okay, so it has one shade of highlight just at the top center It has one shade of highlight, and I love the fact that, you know, they try to incorporate almost every shade. I think almost every shade is here. Thinking about it, look at this dark color, guys. Look at this dark color. Who do you think she used? So I love the fact that almost all shades are here, all shades that they put into consideration, you know, different shades. You know, there are some people that you work on, and they may be the same powder, they may be the same foundation, but probably slightly different. I love the fact that all shades are there. So the days of having to, you know, dip your powders into 2 different or 3 different powder shades just to mix, just to get one particular person's shade, I think with this palette it will be drastically reduced. Like, it will be highly reduced. I don't think you may need to dip your brush into 1, 2, 3, like just like what I do then, because of the limitations in most of the powder palettes that were available when I, you know, started doing makeup professionally. So I may have to dip my powder into like 3 different powder shades, dip just to get a particular person's shade. But I think with this, it is highly minimized. So there's fair, close to fair, you know, fair times 2, fair times 2.5, fair times 2, and, you know, just like that. I don't know how to explain it, but I want to believe that you all understand what I am saying. So I'm just going to quickly swatch most of the colors for you guys to see. So I'm going to be starting with the top, which is rosy, and it has this matte velvety finish. I don't know how to explain it, but you would understand me better if you actually feel it. But it has this matte velvety finish. It's not totally, you know, it's not matte harsh. I don't know how to explain it. There are some powders that are matte harsh, you know, almost close to a dusting powder, if you know what a dusting powder is. But it has this, you know, matte velvety finish. So this is the powder is actually finely pressed into the palette. You get little or no fallout. Yeah, you get little or no fallout from the powder when you dip your brush into it. So for the fact that it has this matte and velvety finish in it, I think it would have a long staying power, because it's not totally matte and, you know, harsh, that when you apply it, it's just off on your face. It's something that would you know, help to hold your foundation in place. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. It's not like your I really don't know how to explain this, but take it from me that it is matte, and it has a matte and a velvety finish. It looks like something that is going to have longer staying power on the face. It looks like something that can hold up, you know, a foundation pretty well. And I would say the Royale makeup brand actually, you know, they actually went all out for their powder palettes, including like mostly all shades, because their individual powders doesn't come with these 2 shades, these 2 last shades here, this one. So they don't come in melanin and dark cream and probably dark cocoa. I think the last shade will probably fall under the brownie or the Beyonce. So this is for the Queen Face collection, the Queen series. So I'm just going to set this aside. Powder palette. This one says the Glam Face collection. The Glam Face collection, the Princess series. So the other one is the Queen series, and this is the Princess series. So I'm going to be unboxing this. First and foremost, I love how, you know, portable this is. This is very lightweight. I think it's something, if you're a lover of big bags. I don't really like to carry big bags, but if you're a lover of big bags, this can actually fit into your bag. It's very, it's lightweight. I'm just going to be unboxing this. This thing is highly sealed, like it is highly sealed. You need a blade or something to pop this open. Let me use my tweezer to know if I can pop this open. Oh, okay. It's highly sealed. Okay, so it doesn't pull out, or you need to open it this way. Okay guys. Oh wow. Let's just pretend that I have not seen this before, but guys, take a look at this. Have you seen a powder palette in a round packaging, guys? Have you seen a powder? No, tell me if you have seen a powder palette in a round packaging. Let me know in the comment section. Like, let me know. This is very different and very unique. Like, I don't know, I wouldn't even want to say this is like a pro palette. Why? Because it is lightweight. It's something that you can put into your bag, so it would even save you the stress of having to carry too many powders at the same time for highlights, for contour, and for your main shade. So this is one size fits all. Like, I don't know guys, this is one size fits all. This is one size fits all. And I like the fact that they also adopted the same powder colors and the same powder shades that they have in their Glam Face collection as well, because like just take a look at it. I don't know if I'm going to want to swatch this for you, but I'm going to be swatching this for you guys. I'm going to be, feeling this to see. It is actually the same thing with the Glam Face collection. It is matte and velvety. I'm going to be trying this on a client probably later in the week, next week, or I'm going to be using this to do a makeup tutorial to show you how portable this powder, I don't know why I keep saying eyeshadow, how portable this powder palette is. Like, I am literally holding it like this, guys. I'm literally holding it like this. It is too portable, and the colors, the shade here, I don't know, if you were this shade, you have something like this to highlight, and you have something between this shade to contour, these two shades. They actually thought of it very well. I would even say this is like it's more of a personal palette than a professional palette. Like, come on guys, it looks like it was finally pressed down into the palette, so you get little or no eyeshadow. Oh my god, why do I keep saying eyeshadow? You get little or no powder fallouts from the palette. Guys, I love this one in particular. I don't know about you, I love the packaging. It really blew me away. I love how smooth the powder feels on my hand. First, about this powder palette, it is portable, it is lightweight, it has a matte and velvety finish. It looks like something that is going to have long staying power. It looks like something that is going to hold down foundation pretty well without having to shift, even after you have primed and you have set your face properly. So guys, I don't think I have any cons about this product because I haven't tried it yet. So this is just an unboxing and a first impression about the product. But the Royale makeup brand, has ever since its existence, their products have been nothing short of great and amazing quality, and I can't wait to see what else the Royale makeup brand will be revealing in the nearest future. So the good people of Royale makeup decided to give me one of this palettes to give away, so I'm going to be giving away one of this palettes. If you guys think this is this one is my own, and I'm going to be giving away one of the Glam Face collection powder palette from Royale makeup to one lucky person. This one is from Royale makeup, and they said to give one of my subscribers or one of my followers on Instagram this particular powder palette. All you have to do is to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell, and also follow Royale Makeup. Follow Royale Makeup on Instagram. It is Royale_makeup on Instagram. Follow Royale Makeup on Instagram. Follow Niella Obijiaku on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the bell, and you will stand a chance to win one of those palettes for yourself. So this is from Royale Makeup, and I'm also going to be doing a mini giveaway here too on my channel. I'm going to be giving away some makeup items to one other lucky person. So this giveaway is going to have two winners. One is coming from Courtesy Royale Makeup and the other one is coming from me. The rules are the same. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can stand a chance to win makeup goodies from me as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give me a fat thumbs up if you did. Share with your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead, fabulous week ahead. Bye guys, love you all.